Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have prepared my schedule. Today we will unboxing new Hot Wheels car. Okay, let's go do it. Okay, try to open the box. Okay, so easy like this. Here guys, okay, wow, it looks like this. Yeah, okay, it's open. Wow, there is no box. Wow, so many Hot Wheels car. Okay, let me see around here. Yeah, that this is, yeah guys, this is Batman car from Hot Wheels. You can see this design is very good. It look like real guys. Ooh la la. And this is real Hot Wheels, original one from Hot Wheels. Can you see this is the Hot Wheels? You can see these wheels. We got this silver and got some pattern color here. Ooh la la, this is amazing guys. Okay, now we take the second one. Yeah, wow, this is Volkswagen Hot Wheels. Can see this Volkswagen. Yeah, the engine is behind of this, behind of the body, and this one no need to put anything here. Yeah, and the tire is already lowered. You can see from here. Wow, very amazing Hot Wheels car guys. Ooh la la. Okay, next one we got, yeah, this is Datsun 620 with black color. Yeah, very amazing of Datsun car. And you can see this is God's passenger inside with 1, 2 of chair, look like chair here. Yeah, and you can see is Datsun from here. Wow, very good. Okay, this is Datsun. Another one we have to pick. Yeah, this is Benz Rover guys. Yeah, Baja Blazer number 3. Yeah, you can see this is the strongest Land Rover pickup, and got one wheel in his body. This is spare part, oh no, spare tire. Okay, so very good design of Hot Wheels. Ooh la la. Okay, and the last one we got, wow, this is Mercedes-Benz G550 from Hot Wheels. Can see how many tire, 1, 2, 3, got 4 wheel and got one spare tire behind of his body. Yeah, it's very good and look like real. Can see this logo of Mercedes-Benz with purple color. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching my channel. We will see another video from this Hot Wheels car. Bye bye.